Ever felt overwhelmed by the seemingly endless diaper changes, feedings, and sleepless nights that come with a newborn? If so, you're certainly not alone. Every day, new parents step into the world of parenting, a world filled with love, joy, and yes, a fair bit of chaos. The struggle is real, the exhaustion can be relentless, and the constant worry is often overwhelming. One moment, you're marveling at the miracle of life you've brought into the world, and the next, you're questioning if you're cut out for this seemingly endless cycle of feeding, changing, and soothing. And let's not forget about the feeling of being unprepared. No matter how many parenting books you've read or advice you've received, nothing truly prepares you for the reality of life with a newborn. But fear not, we're here to help simplify your daily routine with your newborn. To help manage the chaos, let's break down the day into manageable chunks. Now you may be thinking, why do I need a routine for my newborn? Well, let me tell you, establishing a daily routine for your little one is like crafting a roadmap for your day. It gives you a sense of direction and control, which is something we all could use in the whirlwind of new parenthood. A routine lends a sense of predictability to your day. You'll know what to expect and when to expect it. No more guessing games or feeling like you're just winging it. This predictability can also be a comfort to your baby, providing a sense of security and stability. A well-structured routine can also help your newborn distinguish between day and night, an important step in developing healthy sleep habits. And let's be honest, who doesn't want more sleep? So how do we break down the day? Well, we can think of it in three main parts: morning, afternoon, and night. Each part has its own unique rhythm, its own set of activities, and its own challenges. The morning routine is all about waking up and starting the day on the right foot. This includes feeding, changing, and some quality playtime. The afternoon routine, on the other hand, is about maintaining that positive momentum, with scheduled naps, feedings, and more playtime. Finally, the night routine is where we wind down. This is where we establish a calming atmosphere with a warm bath, a soothing lullaby, and the last feeding of the day, all leading up to that much sought-after bedtime. But remember, every baby is unique. What works for one might not work for another. It's all about finding what works best for you and your little one. So take a deep breath, give yourself some grace, and know that it's okay to tweak the routine as needed. The most important thing is to stay flexible and patient. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to creating a routine. So take it one day at a time, and before you know it, you'll have a routine that fits like a glove. Your morning routine sets the tone for the rest of the day. Rising with the sun, or perhaps even before it, you're greeted by the soft cooing or hungry cries of your little one. This is the beginning of your dance, a cycle of care, bonding, and love that fills your day. Let's dive into that morning routine, shall we? The first step naturally is feeding. Whether you're nursing or bottle feeding, it's essential to nourish your baby first thing in the morning. This not only fills their tiny tummies, but also provides a comforting start to their day. Remember, this is a perfect time for some gentle cuddling and bonding. Next up, changing. A clean diaper is a happy diaper after all. This may not be the most glamorous part of parenting, but it's certainly a necessary one. So, with a swift and efficient change, you'll have your little one feeling fresh and ready for the day. Now, it's playtime. This is where the morning gets fun. Whether it's tummy time, a bit of gentle baby yoga, or simply exploring a new toy, playtime is key to your baby's development. It's a time for them to engage with their world, to learn, and to grow. Plus, it's a beautiful opportunity for you to share in their delight and curiosity. Finally, after all that excitement, it's nap time. Your baby will likely be ready for a little snooze, giving you the chance to catch your breath. This is a good moment to take care of yourself, maybe grab a quick shower or enjoy a hot cup of coffee. Remember, routines are not set in stone. They ebb and flow with your baby's needs and your own. Some days might look a little different, and that's okay. Flexibility is key in parenting. With a solid morning routine, you're setting yourself up for a successful day. Keep in mind, success doesn't mean perfection. It means embracing the beautiful chaos of life with a newborn, one morning routine at a time. The afternoon is a great time for some interaction and play. With the morning routine behind us, it's time to venture into the afternoon, an ideal period for some much-needed bonding and fun. Let's dive right into it, shall we? The first order of business after lunch is, of course, a diaper change. A clean, comfortable baby is a happy baby. Keep those wipes and diapers handy, and remember, practice makes perfect. You'll be a diaper-changing pro in no time. Next up is feeding time. Depending on your baby's age, this could mean breastfeeding, bottle feeding, or introducing some solid foods. Just make sure to follow your pediatrician's guidelines. And don't forget the burping. It helps to keep those little tummies content. Once those basic needs are met, it's playtime. This is a golden opportunity to stimulate your baby's senses and encourage their development. You could introduce some colorful toys, sing a little song, or simply talk to your little one. Even at this young age, they're soaking up everything around them like a sponge. But remember, playtime isn't just about toys and songs. It's also about social interaction. Your baby is learning about the world around them, and you are their primary guide. So engage with them, make eye contact, and shower them with smiles and coos. It's these little moments that build the foundation of your baby's social skills. And finally, after a fun-filled afternoon, it's time for a little nap. A good afternoon snooze is crucial for your baby's growth and development. It also gives you a much-deserved break to recharge your batteries. So rock them, sing to them, or simply let the rhythm of your heartbeat lull them to sleep. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to an afternoon routine with your newborn. It's a delicate dance between meeting their needs and stimulating their senses, all while ensuring there's enough time for rest. Remember, balance is essential. There should be time for rest and play. After all, a happy baby means a happy parent. And isn't that what we all strive for? The night routine is all about winding down and preparing for sleep. As the sun dips below the horizon, it's time to transition into the night routine. This part of the day is all about creating a peaceful environment to help your little one, and indeed yourself, transition into a restful night's sleep. First on the list is feeding. Whether you're breastfeeding, bottle feeding, or a mix of both, ensure your baby is well fed. This can often contribute to longer stretches of sleep, which is a win for both of you. Remember, every baby is unique, so don't stress if your little one doesn't eat a lot at night. Your pediatrician is always there to guide you on what's best for your baby. Next, we move on to changing. It's generally a good idea to change your baby's diaper right before bed to ensure a comfortable and dry night. Don't forget to have all changing essentials within reach to make the process as smooth and quick as possible. Now, it's bedtime. But hold on, it's not just about putting your baby in the crib. Establishing a bedtime routine is crucial. This could be a bath, a lullaby, a bedtime story, or a gentle massage. Anything that signals to your baby that it's time to sleep. A consistent routine helps your baby understand what's coming next, making it easier for them to settle down. While you're going through the night routine, keep the environment calm and soothing. Dim lights, soft music or white noise, and a comfortable temperature can make a big difference. This isn't just for your baby, it's for you as well. After all, a relaxed parent makes for a relaxed baby. Finally, remember to be flexible. Some nights will be easy, others might be a challenge. Don't be hard on yourself if things don't go as planned. Adapt and adjust as needed. Parenting is a journey, not a race. A consistent night routine can help promote better sleep for both you and your baby. Let's quickly recap the main points from today's video. We've journeyed through the importance of a daily routine with a newborn. It's not just about ticking off chores from a list, but creating a consistent and structured environment that helps your baby grow and thrive. We started our day with the morning routine, emphasizing the significance of a calm and gentle start. Moving on to the afternoon routine, we highlighted the importance of playtime and interactions, fostering your baby's development, while also allowing them to explore their little world. As night falls, we delved into the tranquility of the night routine, a soothing wind-down time that prepares your baby for a peaceful sleep. But remember, it's not about perfection. It's about finding a rhythm that suits you and your little one. There will be days of trial and error, but that's all part of the journey. Remember, every parent struggles at first, but with time and practice, you'll find the routine that works best for you and your baby. You're doing a great job. Keep it up. For more parenting tips and guides, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We regularly share practical advice and supportive content that can help you navigate the rewarding yet challenging journey of parenthood. Feel free to share your own tips, experiences, or any questions you may have in the comments section below. We're here to build a community of supportive parents, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Remember, Parenting is not a solo journey, and we're all learning as we go. Stay tuned for more helpful content. You're doing great, parents. Welcome to our Community Spotlight segment. Here, we highlight comments, tips, and experiences shared by you, our amazing community of parents. Let's see what wisdom you've shared with us this week. First up, we have a comment from Sarah, a mother of two, who suggests creating a quiet time box for toddlers. This box is filled with quiet activities like puzzles, books, and coloring materials that your child can play with during their designated quiet time. A great idea, Sarah. Next, we have a question from Mark, a dad-to-be, who's asking about the best ways to baby-proof a home. Good question, Mark. We actually have a video on that, which we'll link in the description below. And of course, our community members, please feel free to share your own baby-proofing tips in the comments. And lastly, a big shout out to Emily, who shared her experience of successfully transitioning her twins into a regular sleep schedule. Way to go, Emily. Remember, every parenting journey is unique, but we're all in this together. Keep sharing, keep supporting, and let's continue to learn from each other. You're all doing a fantastic job, so keep those comments coming.